We got Dave, we got Dad. We're out here at Texas. This is Lone Star Drifts round 1. Everyone is rolling in and kicking it. Took a first lap here at Lone Star Drift.
Hey!
Hey! It was my first time to try out these Accelera tires. Everything went pretty fucking smooth, man. It was super good. Fronts, the PHIs, I think I had my tire pressure up just like a little bit high. So I also just went out there like on super cold tires, so I wanted to try to warm those up a little bit more. Probably gonna lower the pressures on those, but not bad. And the rears, this was about, so it was probably about 8 times around the track, but 3 times like full pull runs. Still have some tread left, so that's super cool. The guys are gonna do a quick gear change. We're pretty close. Yeah, I think we should try a little bit of pressure drop. Maybe just go down like 4 pounds, try to get some of this. We're gonna try to lower the wheel speed to save a little bit of more tire and also find the balance where I can drive and forth, be on throttle often, and you know, just find that limit. So if the gearing is too tall, I just blow the tires up, they'll be gone in a lap, and it just doesn't give us a lot of time to test and tune. So that's kind of why we're changing the gear now. Rain. gonna let me try to drive his hand-controlled car. I've never even ever attempted anything like this. So I think first we'll just try to go around the track.
Yeah.
And see then if we can get it sideways. What? So we still have a clutch and a brake.
No.
No.
Brake and gas.
We have a brake and we have a gas, and this is our clutch. So this is e-brake.
Yep.
And this is shift.
Yep. You gotta make sure you pull it all the way.
And then it's just T56?
Yep.
I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking stab this thing right here when I do this.
Yeah.
So this is my brake.
Yes, that is your brake.
This is my gas.
Yeah.
This is a hand-controlled car for clutch, e-brake, shifting. I have a brake pedal and a throttle. It's my first time to ever try something like this, which is super cool. I'm honored. Thank you so much.
Dude, absolutely.
Let's see how this shit goes. I'm already trying to use this. feels good. Yeah? Feels good. Oh yeah. Want to swap? Yeah, absolutely. God, That was super special right there.
Yeah, dude, I couldn't thank you enough for jumping in here. That was
Fuck.
That was so awesome.
The car feels really, really good. Like, everything feels fucking proper, dude.
Thank you. But I want to feel like my big purpose on this is so you can actually feel the clutch engagement.
Yeah.
It shifts as fast as you can physically pull the lever in.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's been 5 years run doing this thing. It still needs more improvement. So,
Thank you.
Yeah, no, thank you, man.
Tried to run some super low pressures on the last time around. Man, it was a good event. Lone Star Drift, knock it off the calendar. Where's 2F at? Shout out 2F, we're gonna need a rear bumper. About to load up, cruise back to Dallas, clean this car, and prepare for another event.